Well, this is the blacksmith shop at night with the light on. I thought I'd show you what I've been up to. It's about 10 o'clock now. I've been out here fiddling around, creating ambience. I'm an old romantic at heart. There's my kettle, my blacksmith kettle. There's my charcoal barrel. I painted it. It's got a street scene all the way around, but I don't know if I can turn it round for you now. Probably could. Bear with. There's a couple of ladies conversing, or in the old days you'd say nattering, but I don't know if you're allowed to say that these days. And there's a young lady with a shopping basket. And there's a man shaking hands with someone. And there's a mum with some kids and a pram. And this is what I put in here. You don't remember this. This is an old, very old iron saw bench. I put it onto this bench. This is the saw bench where I tracked my thumb. Do you remember? Look, it's still swollen, and that was 9 weeks ago. See if I can just show you a comparison with my other thumb. It's like the one that got damaged, and there's the other one. It's not very good, is it? I can't find out where the actual camera lens is. Look, that's my normal thumb. That's a normal thumb, that's better. Look, it's got a nice bend to it. And here's my damaged thumb. Hasn't quite got the bend, but although I think the bend is actually coming back. Yeah, when I got it trapped, I'll show you, because this lifts up, you see. And when I was moving it, I got my thumb trapped in between that top bit and the bottom bit. And it flipping hurt. Well, did I tell you? I went unconscious. Yeah, I put a lamp up there. I put this thin metal sheet up there because they kept on leaking where the roof was joined. Kept on leaking, and I thought, well, I'll just divert the water out. And that's what I did. That's my other vice. I discovered that there should be more to this. There should be a grinding wheel on it. Never mind. Anyway, that's what I've been up to. Oh, and I mended this. I put this spring in. Don't know if you can see it. You can see it from the other side. Pretty hopeless, aren't I? Yeah, there it is. I put that bit of spring in because that was missing. That's a very old vice. And outside is another thing you can't see, my quenching bucket made out of a coal scuttle. Anyway, this was just a little visit to the blacksmith shop at night with the light on. Because I thought it looked nice. What a softie. Okay. Get another aspect out here. Doesn't that look lovely? think it's about time I got in there and started bashing some metal. If you'll pardon the expression. It's not a euphemism. Right. Okay. Don't know if you can see me at all because I'm doing this on my camera. Excuse my runny nose. It's cold out here. See you soon. Bye bye.